Welcome back to another week of music with me, Mr. TG. I am the luckiest music teacher on the planet because I get to work with not just Columbia, not just North Fork, and not just Yale, but I also get to work with LRA. So I get to see so many students out in the community, and I really love when you tune into these lessons and do the lessons and fill those exit tickets out, because it makes me and Mrs. Fraser and Mrs. Nesbitt all feel super appreciated as specialists. So thank you. Now, our first lesson this week in music continues to focus on instrument families of the orchestra. Last week, there was a lesson on the string family, so please check that out if you haven't already. Because this week, we're focusing on the brass family. The first activity is a short and simple video showing each brass instrument and what it sounds like. Cool.
The brass family.
Now that we've seen that video, now we get to see the Titanic tuba, which is the largest brass instrument in the world. It is so much harder to play than a recorder, that's for sure.
Over here. Careful.
Whoa, that is huge.
What you do with a tuba like this, it's a conversation starter. It's something that you walk by and you say, wow, look at that giant tuba.
Next, we have a listening activity where we compare sounds with voices in them and sounds with instruments and voices in them. And it's really important that when we listen to music, that we can tell the difference between music that has just a voice or voices and when there's a voice and something else, like an instrument or a drum beat. Our last activity this lesson is another guessing game video where we guess instruments of the orchestra. Knowing the different instruments is both fun and it's very important when you're thinking about what instrument am I going to play when I go into middle school.